This is insane, guys. I just created this multi-page Elementor WordPress website using Claude AI and Antigravity. And the crazy part, you can do it too using any image inspiration you found on Pinterest, Figma, Dribble, or Behance. So no more spending hours in dragging and dropping Elementor elements or watching hours of WordPress tutorials. Just follow my workflow step by step and get this fully working multi-page website in minutes without writing a single line of code with 100% free to use tools. So let's get started. So before we start the actual tutorial, let me show you the multi-page website first. So this is the home page of our website. Okay. After that, we have the services page. So let me click on services. And here we go. As you can see, the layout is completely same. The style, the colors and fonts matching seamlessly. Okay. And let me show you the about page as well. And everything has been created using AI, using Claude and Antigravity. So as you can see, the images, the fonts, the layouts and everything else, okay, it's fully customized and I have literally created it into minutes. Okay, so the concept is to first create a single page website using Claude AI and Antigravity, and after that convert that single page website into this kind of multi-page website which will be fully functional and created within minutes. So if you haven't watched my previous tutorial on how to create a professional single page website like this using Claude AI, make sure to check the link into the description to watch that video as well after completing this tutorial, so that you will have a clear idea of how this workflow functions. So let's move ahead. So this is the single page website I have created in my last tutorial, and today I want to convert this into a fully working multi-page website. For now, if you will see the menus, if you will check the menus, they are not connected to any page. They are just connected to these internal sections created on this particular home page. Okay, so I want to create separate pages for all of these sections, and I want to link those pages into menus in header and footer. So let me show you the complete workflow how to do that. So in order to achieve this, we will go to Antigravity first. So let me open my Antigravity software and write that please create a complete implementation plan to convert this single page website into a multi-page website. Please analyze the home.json file, the additional CSS file, so that the layout, the classes and everything else remains same. I want the same style, same fonts and everything else. Okay, so after attaching the JSON file and the additional CSS file, let's hit enter, and Antigravity will start analyzing our current JSON file, our current CSS file and everything else, and create us a complete implementation plan using Claude Sonnet model. Okay, so let's wait for it so that it can give us the complete plan with new pages we are supposed to create. So our implementation plan is ready, and it mentions that we are using Ultimate Elementor add-on for header and footer templates. So we don't need to create header.json and footer.json templates again, because it's reusable on all the other pages. Okay, and other than that, it has identified the fonts, the colors and the classes it is supposed to use in order to create the new pages. Okay, it has mentioned that we are supposed to create about.json, contact page, okay, a testimonial page, FAQ and privacy policy. Okay, so we can choose to create any pages we like according to our preference. Okay, so after looking at our implementation plan, once you get fully satisfied, you can simply type a new prompt that please proceed with the implementation plan and let's create one page at a time. Make sure to use the Elementor widget as much as possible rather than custom codes. Other than that, I have mentioned that please create the relevant images and save into the website folder. Over here into Antigravity, I will simply upload those images into my WordPress admin section. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Let's hit enter, and it will now create one page at a time because this is how I mentioned it. Okay, so let's wait for it. And check this out, guys, it has started generating images for us. So this is the beauty of using Antigravity directly. If you will use Claude AI or any other tool, then it won't generate the images for you, but Antigravity can generate the relevant images for you and the text copies as well. So you don't need to do anything manually. Everything will be done automatically for you using the power of AI. It can generate images, it can generate text copies for you, and it can literally generate the JSON templates as well. So our file is ready. Okay, let's view it out. Okay, so it has mentioned that the new folder has been created named images, and it has saved all the images into it. Okay, other than that, it has created the about.json template for our about us page. So I think it has created the new css file as well. Okay, as we can see over here, so we just need to import our about.json, the images it has created, and the css file into our WordPress admin dashboard, and the new page will be created simply. Okay, so let me simply reveal this into folder, and as you can see, it created the new image and also created a complete documentation file with the URLs to use. Okay, so let me simply accept everything we see over here, and let me show you how can we simply import this JSON template. Okay, so let's go to our WordPress admin dashboard and let's click on media. After that, add media file so that we can simply import the new images it has created for us. So let's navigate to images folder, and let me simply select all of them, and let's click on open to upload all the images. And here we go. So all the images have been uploaded successfully. Great. After that, let's go to pages and create a new page over here, and let's name it something like about us or about. After that, let's scroll down and disable the page title because we don't want it. After that, simply click on publish button, and let's click on edit with Elementor to import our JSON template for this particular page. And here we go. Let's click on this folder icon, and let's click on templates, and after that, let's click on upload templates over here with the arrow, and let's select our file. Let's select about.json, and let's click on open, and let's click on enable and import. And after that, let's select the particular about page template, and let's click on insert button. Okay, and the page template has been inserted successfully. And check this out, guys, this is fully made on Elementor. Okay, so there are some little flaws like images are missing. Other than that, just check this out, we have just created this page literally within few minutes. Okay, so let me simply update the images over here as we have already uploaded it. And as you can see, about story image is over here. Let me simply upload this, and done, guys. Okay, check this out, it's looking better. Let me simply remove some extra spaces. It has added some spacers, I didn't like it. Okay, let me simply remove those so that it can look more aligned. Okay, so done. Let me see it again, and check this out, this is looking insane. I mean, just look at this. Okay, and after that, let's scroll down, and let me add some images for the teammates over here. Okay, so we have already uploaded those images, so let me select the team member 1 over here. Okay, and after that, let's select the image resolution to full. Okay, for now it's set to custom, so let me do it to full, and check this out, this is looking better. Okay, so let me repeat the same process for other two teammates images as well real quick. Let me select this one and this one. Okay, and we are done. Let me simply publish this page, and amazing, guys. Other than that, we are supposed to paste the additional css as it has given us the updated css, and we have pasted it into customizer. Let me simply publish the page, and let's refresh and check this out, the complete page. Okay, just look at this, the text copies, the images, the fonts, style, and everything else. It has completely copied our branding, and it has created a new page for us literally within minutes. Okay, it's mind-blowing. Okay, so let's go to Antigravity again, and let's give it another command that please organize the images into page wise. Okay, so name it after the page wise and create and organize them, and also give me the template for our next page. So let's wait for it while the Antigravity is creating all the images and organizing them into a folder, and we have got the success message at it has completed, it works. And as we can see, it has created the images for our project page, and it has organized it very well. Other than that, it has created the product.json over here, we can see. Okay, so we can simply import this file. As you can see over here, it has mentioned the shame and also the additional css which we can simply choose to import. Okay, so let me simply import the new images. Let's go to add media URL, and let me upload the new images which is available under project sections. Okay, let's click on open button, and our images will be imported. So images have been uploaded successfully, and we are now ready to create a new page. Okay, let's click on disable title, and let's create a new page named projects, and after that, let's click on edit with Elementor, and let's upload our new JSON file. Okay, we have got just right here. And after that, let's click on enable and import. As you know already, the processes are all same. Let me simply insert the new template over here. And check this out, guys, we just created our new page over here. Amazing, right? So we just need to put the placeholder images over here. We already uploaded it into our media URL. But before that, let me simply remove these spacers. I don't like them. I don't like these extra spaces. Okay, so let me simply remove them, all of them one by one, and check this out. This is looking much better now. And now let me simply insert the images for this project section. Okay, so let's go to choose image and let me select the images one by one. Let's select project one for this one, and after that we can simply replicate the same process for all the other projects. Okay, so let me simply do this for all real quick. Great, guys, so let me simply publish the page as all the images have been uploaded and inserted successfully. Let's view our website now. And check this out, this page is looking much better now. Okay, we have got all the images, the styles, fonts, typography and layout. Everything is completely seamless and it's looking much better now. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple pages on the website using Antigravity and Claude. So this is insane, guys. So let me create another page now. Okay, let's create review page and contact us page as well. Okay, so we have got our success message, we have got our images over here. Let's go to new media file and let me simply upload them real quick. So the processes are same. You can simply do this for all the pages. Okay, just create a new page, just edit with Elementor and upload the new JSON template you just found using Antigravity. Okay, so let me simply rename this file so that I can easily distinguish between all the other templates. Okay, let me simply rename it as reviews, and after that let me simply insert that. And check this out, guys, our new page is ready literally within minutes. Okay, and this is so easy. Okay, freaking insane, right? After that, let me simply edit this section over here because we have got some missing images. Okay, so we have already uploaded our 3 images over here. So let me see how can we insert that. As we can see, it is using the text editor, so we can simply go to code and it's very simple. Just need to replace the src URL over here with the new uploaded image. Okay, so we can find this kind of text editors here and there for some complex layouts because we are using the testimonials, the review sections over here. Okay, so, and we are using the completely free Elementor tool, so we have limited options. Okay, so I have just uploaded the URLs over here and it has started working for those images as well. Amazing, right? But I didn't like this section quite much, so let's go and update this free footer. Let me simply remove these spacers from here. Okay, after that let me simply modify the background colors. We can choose any other color we like according to our preference. So let me simply choose this color and let's publish the page and refresh the website. Okay, so this is how easily you can edit this page because all the elements you see here are native Elementor widgets. Okay, so this is as easy as that. So let me quickly complete the new page, the contact us page, and get back to you guys. And as you can see, I have already created the contact us page using the same strategy and it's looking amazing. I mean, just look at the maps, the icon box sections, and after that we have the form here and email and phone information. So everything is looking pretty insane, pretty aligned, and everything is looking well. Also, these forms are completely working for send email and call. Okay, so this is how you can create multi-page website using Antigravity and Claude workflow. And now we are supposed to attach those pages into the menus of header and the footer. Okay, so let me show you how can you do it quickly. You just need to go to Antigravity and ask it to give us the new header.json file and new footer.json file with the connected pages in the menus. Okay, and it will give us the new templates to import and it will be fully connected. So this is how smart the Antigravity is using Claude or Gemini 3.6. Okay, so let me simply give this command and after that let's paste the page URLs. Let me show you how can you get those. Simply right click on the view button and open all the pages in new tab and simply copy those links. After copying those links, you just can simply go into Antigravity and paste that into prompts. Okay, so let me repeat the same process for all pages real quick and get back to you guys once it gets completed. So I have pasted the links for all the pages we are supposed to connect into our menu, and let's hit enter. Now Antigravity will go and check our old header.json file and old footer.json file and make the necessary modifications by linking these pages into menus. Okay, so we don't need to modify anything manually. Everything will be connected and we have got the success message. So let me show you how can you now import the header.json files. As we are using Ultimate Elementor add-on, so let's go to header and footer under that, and let's click on edit with Elementor for header template. So over here, let me delete the old header and let me import the new header template over here, which is pretty simple. And let's insert the site header for today's date, July 28. Let's me click on insert button and the new header will be inserted. And now all the pages would work fine. Let me justify this box, this button to centered content, and it will now look better. Okay, so this is how it looks. Amazing, right? Now let's verify our menu how it works. Let me click on about us and check this out, guys. The page has been loaded successfully. So this is how simply we can create this kind of website and link those pages into menus. Okay, so now this website has been converted into a fully working multi-page website, and as you can see, all the pages are successfully connected now. So we can check out the projects, the contact us, and everything else. Everything is working completely fine. So we have just created it into the matter of minutes using all free tools, and the workflow is pretty simple. And we just need to type some commands and just need to import the templates, and our website will be ready within minutes. Amazing, right? And it's also contains the branding, the layout, colors, typography. This is so amazing. We can now just go and check the footer links as well. So simply click on edit Elementor and let's open the footer over here, and we will be able to manually edit it with using Elementor elements. As you can see, this is a simple icon list, or you can simply replace it with the new footer.json Antigravity provided us. Okay, so as I can see, the links seems to be correct. So let me simply click and verify, because we were using the same name convention for our page creation, so it had started working completely fine because it's picking up the URLs correctly already. Okay, so amazing, guys. So we have just created everything, the new pages, the new header, new footer, and everything else, and complete debugging, okay, within minutes. And I'm just loving this workflow. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any other request for any other kind of websites or any other kind of concepts, let me know in the comments as well. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe the channel, and share this video with your friends and family so that they can start their online website development journey all for free. And this workflow is pretty insane, because I don't think anyone have ever showed this kind of multi-page website development on YouTube so far. So this is completely game changer for beginner, because it's going to reduce all the learning curves. They don't need to spend hours in watching long tutorials for the Elementor and everything else. If they have the basic knowledge of this, then they can simply use the AI to create nice looking WordPress website like this. As I was getting lots of requests for creating multi-page Elementor website using AI, so I think now this video should satisfy those cravings. Okay, I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.